My father was a pastor, and it guided every part of his life. My dad taught me a lot about giving of myself to others and how that really makes us all better when we turn to each other in times of need. He taught me to find what connects people so we can have conversations about what unites us instead of what divides us. We need to find in people what connects their life experience with the experience of our client, because they're more likely to render a just verdict if they understand what my client's gone through. All of that helps us communicate effectively to a jury about what the right thing to do is.
I was sitting at a red light. There was a truck that had been coming down the road really fast, and it hit a red car that was behind me, and that car hit my car and pushed me out into the middle of the median. The box truck owner had left. He'd fled the scene in the truck, and he was nowhere to be found. We were told later that the truck had been stolen. So we reached out to the company that covered that truck, and they were like, sorry, the truck was stolen. We can't really help you in any way, so you're gonna have to figure that out on your own. And so it was at that point I realized that I needed to reach out to someone to see if they could assist me in figuring out what to do next. So the reason I decided to reach out to Dickinson Law Firm is I actually had met them before through my local church, and I had heard really great things about them. When we walked into mediation, Mr. Dickinson stood up, gave our case, and the other side of the table could not even respond because he laid it out so wonderfully. I walked away from the whole situation, realized that there really are great lawyers out there. You do have to maybe dig through the weeds to find those, but you need to look for those people that will have your back, knowing that at any point you could reach out to them, not only as a lawyer, but as a friend.
Curtis is probably one of the kindest, most warm and caring attorneys you'll ever find. When I bring one of my own clients to Curtis, I know that they're going to get the care and the level of detail that I would want somebody to give for my own family. And to be able to have another attorney in my community that I trust that way just speaks volume for Curtis and his team.
My greatest hope for my clients is that we can get them as close to where they were before this tragedy happened as possible. We see cases as deserving our absolute best effort to completely fill out the claim of our client, to understand the details of it, and to then present it to a jury so the jury can see this story and say, we need to do something about that. I couldn't do it without my team, and I'm so grateful that they've stuck with me for all these years, because I think we're doing something very important, and they feel it too.